Hello my Minky Moose, how are you today? Okay, here we have a Yugoslavian 1987 100 Dinari. It's not that brilliant, but it'll make a nice ring. So first of all, yep, you guessed it, I've got to punch a hole in it. Make sure I've got the right punch for the right hole. You've always got to get your punch and your right hole to the right size. A few weeks ago I tried to put a punch through a smaller hole and of course it all went a bit sad. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. There she is. How's everybody doing today? Good? Good. It's funny, when I'm on the market, sometimes I say to people, you know, how you doing? And, you know, the holiday makers, and they say, yeah, good. And they say to me, how are you doing? I say to them, well, I don't say it all the time, but I say, well, I said, my dog got run over, my girlfriend's left me, my car caught fire, that's gone. I lost my apartment, couldn't afford the payments, and other than that, I'm good. And they just sort of stand there and look at me as if I'm some sort of idiot. I mean, you know, you say how you doing. I mean, who cares really? Who's interested in how anybody's doing? It's just yeah, my dog got run over. My girlfriend left me. Right. This is Christy Burr. Just in case you didn't know. If you're a regular, you know who he is. If you're not a regular, you just come across this channel by mistake. There's a little red button there. Hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit that and I'll be your best friend forever and ever. Amen. That's pretty sexy. Right, let's show it some warmth. Let's warm this baby up with the fire starter. I'm trying to concentrate on getting everything in shot. It's so difficult though. I've been doing this for about 3 months and I still go off over there somewhere, you know? I'm quite surprised some of you guys don't give me grief for going off all the time, you know, going over there or there or... This is called annealing, just softens up the metal. Makes it a bit more pliable. Makes it a bit more workable. There you go. So, this is 17-degree folding die. And I think we're going to have to go with this side, sunny side up. Oh no, wait a minute. I think we're going to have to go with this side, sunny side up on the ring. Got Yugoslavia. Yeah, okay. Got this nice and level. Or as level as possible. I go over to Big Red. Here's a 1-ton arbor press. And you know what this is. It's just painful, man. Oh yeah, that's pretty sexy. Whee-yah. Right, I just want to clean up that edge. It looks pretty good. But we'll get sandy on the case. This is just very fine sandpaper. In fact, there's hardly any sandpaper on it at all now. But it still does the job. It's a little bit sad there. Get rid of it. Cut it out. Ah. There you go. That's a bit better. Right. Do I have to warm it up again? Let's see. Let's go over to spike. Oh, what's going on here? This is my favourite tool of them all, spike. Give it a bit of a turn each time, so you get to say, see, I can't help it. You get the same amount of stretch on your ring all the way around. It's you guys make me laugh. Come on, you're the weirdos. I'm normal. Yeah. What's normal? If you know, please tell me. I've got no idea what normal is. Still want to go a bit more. I think I'll give it a bit more. The old Bernie, it seems to be getting maybe to the breaking point. I hope not. Where's my lighter gone? There it is. Right. You're looking for a custom ring? I can make you one. You can send me your own coins if you want. You can leave a comment under the video. You can email me at yourfingermyring.com. You can send me a fax. Or homing pigeon. If you've got a homing pigeon, stick a little note on its leg and I'll get it. Moss code. You can contact me any way you want. I think this is going to split. I don't know. It seems very soft now. How's it looking? Bit more. So you want to get that touching the top of this. Because different size coins, you can only go so far. You can't go huge on all coins because if they're small, it won't have it. It just says the computer said no. So if you've got small fingers, you're looking at like a shilling, a quarter, US quarter. Right, there you go. Let's go down to the bottom end of spike. Will this fit in here? Yes, it will. But maybe. Yeah. Too much at the moment. It's a bit too much. So we'll have to go with this baby. Yeah, that'll do. These are reduction dies. There's different sizes on both sides. Right, what's that looking like? Oh yeah, baby. Pretty damn good. What do you think? Straight? As straight as it's going to get, I think. Yeah, it's quite good. There's a bit of a lip in there, see that? So that's why you keep the kitchen roll. You've got all that detail still. But that lip must have come out. So we break out Christy Burr again. And show it some love. Yeah, so there is restrictions on how far I can go with a coin. I've got some Swedish wrap dies, but I can't get, I don't know, I can't use them at the moment. I don't know why, I'm doing something wrong. I watch other people do them on YouTube and they make it look so easy. I've tried a few times with them and I'm just cocking up the coin. It just goes bad. It goes pear-shaped on me. I've even wrote it down and step by step. I've even had my other computer in there looking at YouTube. And I don't know, I'm doing something wrong. Okay, that's good. See that? Lip's gone now. But you haven't lost any of the reeded part. It's just that inside. So, let's give it a clean up. Put old Kate back in again. This is just a like quad zero steel wool on the end of this thing. I do clear coat my rings now, just in case you've got any allergies. Depending how you wear it and use it, I mean it lasts a good amount of time, but after a year or so, or it all depends how you wear it. If you do start getting any allergies or a bit of green finger, you can always give it a thin coat of clear nail varnish. That's pretty much the same as clear coat. It's getting a bit warm. Okay. Right. Let's whack in Felton John before we start this bit, shall we? Otherwise get polish all over Dave. Dave the Dremel. Right. If you'd like to hit the like button for me, I'd appreciate it. But you could always do with a bit more love. I haven't been drinking. I did have a couple of cans yesterday though. Just the small cans, you know. I'm a good boy nowadays. Because my girlfriend, she doesn't drink alcohol at all. Ever since the day I met her, like 20 odd years ago, she doesn't drink alcohol at all. Right, let's whack in Dave. But, admittedly, she does have a sip of Jack Daniels with me on the anniversary of Lemmy's death, you know, Motorhead. I adored that guy. Right. Looking pretty sexy, eh? Like I've been saying, my girlfriend cleans these up after me because my hands are still covered in oil and polish and God knows what. She cleans them up, does all the photographs, loads the video onto YouTube. She's a little darling. I'd be lost without her. There you go, folks. It's quite nice, isn't it? Yeah, I quite like it. What size we got? You always measure from the reeded side of the coin because that's the thickest part of the coin. So this is a size, that's a big one. This is a size 71.5. Yeah, 71.25. And it fits me lovely because I've got big hands. Thanks folks, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit any button you want really. Love you to bits, have a great day, catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.